that's what I'm saying. Now you come and say, come on, I'm going to house.
Why would she not come here?
I see. This is the same mother that is supporting her. The same mother that told her to withdraw 3.7 million naira from her account. Self. Old woman that does not have respect for herself. Old woman that does not have respect for herself. Your mother does not have respect for herself. As a reasonable mother, I'm not sorry to say this. As a reasonable mother, won't you say, your husband, tell your husband, say, they come, oh, say no go verse. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? Are you seeing? A responsible woman would have told me that her mother is coming. You brought your mother to my house when you know that, okay, there's an issue on ground already. You know we have an issue. And I'm talking to you, you're talking back at me. Mary, when did you tell your mama so we come to my house? Where? I don't know. You won't fight me. Mama, I won't fight you. There's something that's what I'm saying. Are you trying to say, come on, I'm going to put you in the house.
Why would she not come here?
I see. This is the same mother that is supporting her. The same mother that told her to withdraw 3.7 million naira from her account. I see.
I have the same right.
Tell your mother to leave my house now. This moment.
If I decide to
Mary, tell your mother to leave my house this moment.
It was before I was restricted.
Oh,
but
now
now
wherever now.
Mother
can wherever now. Tell your mother to leave my house this moment.
Drag out.
Madam, with due respect.
I think something is wrong.
Madam, with due respect. Madam, with due respect, leave my house. You are talking to yourself, young woman. Old woman, you are talking to yourself. Old woman, you are talking to yourself. Old woman, you are talking to yourself. I mean, see this woman. Are you guys seeing this woman? Madam, leave my house. Madam, you will spoil your cookie. I say, Madam, you will spoil your cookie. Madam, now you dey spoil your pikin. Now you dey spoil your pikin. You will remember when I came to this woman's shop. This woman, I came to her shop to report this to her. She poured me water. She poured me water. Madam, tell your mother to leave my house this moment. You have nothing to talk about. You are not grateful. Nothing. Why would you bring your mother? Okay, now ask her. Why would you bring your mother at this time? Why your mother going Madam, what are you calling? Your house not again. Your house not bite you. You need a shame. Madam, you need a shame. Your mother. You can't even to my mother saying your husband. You can't even to my people and your husband. Maybe there's something
Big mommy like the wall. I'm not going to have money. Big mommy like the collar. She's sitting there. Rubbish.
Oh my! I see what is our mother doing here? No, what is our mother doing here? Madam, I'm asking you to talk. Madam, what are you doing here? Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Okay. I'm so sorry. Mary, I beg of you. Your mother cannot stay in this house tonight. She cannot stay in my room tonight. Please.
She will stay here. The same rights you have to bring anybody else. I have that same equal rights. Equal right I have this. My sister, my uncle, everybody will come to this house.
Mary,
Mary, show you what man.
Would you respect yourself this time? Do you tell me that your mother is coming?
Why would I tell you?
Come on, into my
Did you tell me before you brought your second to this house?
Point of correction. That's my wife. This is my wife. And she's having my baby. It is obvious she's having my baby. It is pretty obvious she's having my baby. You can put her on the camera. Show her. Are you going live, Victor? Video everything. She's having my baby. She's my wife. Madam,
people should not call me near your baby.
Madam,
don't say I want to kill your child.
Madam,
nobody should call my name.
Madam, please respect yourself. Ask your mother to leave.
She's not
it's already late, please.
She's not leaving.
This minute. I beg of you, I beg of you, I beg of you. This
Mo
is
lè sọ fún ẹ̀gbọ́n mi lọ́jọ́ sí o.
Kí lẹ máa jẹ
Pé kó má jẹ́ kó mọ̀ ìwà sí
kí lẹ máa jẹ kí lẹ máa mú ẹ fi mílẹ̀. Ẹ má bá wọn òjò oṣù.
Kí ìjẹun nílé.
Kí lẹ máa jẹ kí lẹ máa mú má lọ dáná tẹ máa jẹ.
Kí ìjẹun nílé.
I will cook and you eat.
Èmi ò jẹun o.
Ẹ máa jẹun.
Are you people seeing what she's saying?
Ìfẹ́ máa là o.
Are you people seeing what this witch is saying?
Èmi ò jẹun tó.
Are you people seeing what this witch is saying?
Ìwọ.
You fully know that we're having issues in the house. You fully know that this house is a big problem already for the both of us. You went to call your mother for what? You're calling your mother to come and fight me? Are you calling your mother to come and fight me? For what reason? For what reason, madam? Why are you closing the door? See, I mean every word I'm saying. And I'm not joking. And I mean everything right now. This moment. Tell this woman to leave. She can't be in my house. This woman is leaving right now. Whose divorce paper? Whose divorce paper are you talking? Whose divorce paper? Whose documents? Man, what divorce paper? Whose document are you talking about? What property are you going to take? What property are you going to take? What property? Oh, see? They're still emphasizing on the divorce paper and property. Are you seeing these Yoruba people that are still emphasizing on the divorce paper and the property? Somebody gonna pick from the gutter. You remember said
you cannot pick me from
me.
Madam,
you get shot before.
More than disgrace ourselves. Let's disgrace ourselves. Let's disgrace ourselves. Madam, let's disgrace ourselves. Whose property are you talking? Whose property are you talking? I will do that. We will go to that court. We will go to that court. We will go to that court. You will not see any dime from me. Mary, I say we'll go to that court. You will not see any dime from me. If you see any dime from me, I'll bust it. We'll go to that court. You will not see any dime from me. No, Joy. You don't understand what happened. You don't understand what I'm facing right now. You don't understand. You don't understand what I'm feeling. We'll go to that court. You will not see any dime from me. One penny you will not see. You for ungrateful.
Go and sign the divorce paper.
Ungrateful souls.
If you like, give me pen. If you like,
ungrateful
go and sign the divorce paper.
Ungrateful souls.
Freely, let me go.
I'm so pissed.
I'm
I'm so annoyed. How would a mother be acting like this? I'm so annoyed. How would a mother be acting like this? Now somebody say mama they act. Mama when they spoil begin. You are the one, if I can say, madam, but I'm ashamed of you. Old woman, I'm ashamed of you. I am ashamed of you. Madam, now you the spoiler. I am ashamed of you. Old woman, I'm ashamed of you. Obviously, probably she was not like this. Who knows? But you don't spoil her. You don't spoil this. I'm ashamed of you, old man. And you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Somebody that don't have respect for herself. Old woman that does not have respect for herself. Old woman that does not have respect for herself. Your mother does not have respect for herself. As a reasonable mother, I'm not sorry to say this. As a reasonable mother, won't you say, your husband, tell your husband, say, they come, I'm saying no go verse, based on issues with the house. You come to my house and you're still insulting me in my house. Who does that? You came to my house and you're still insulting me in my house. As a reasonable mother, you're meant to call your doctor. Mary, I'm saying your husband don't do well. Okay, I'm not come. Okay, problem. You say come, you insult me from my house. Family will be saying, if I'm saying this thing, I'm not saying this thing with pride. If I'm saying this thing, some of you will say that I'm saying with pride. I'm not saying this thing with pride. I'm saying with this on my bed. I'm saying with all my food chest. I'm saying with this on my food chest. I know what I've spent for these people. I know what I've spent for these people. I know what I've passed through in the house of these people. This is what the one rubbing my name on the mouth. This is the one rubbing my name on the mouth, making me look as if I'm a bad person.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
After everything I've done for them. How would you switch so fast? Especially the mother. The mother is ungrateful. The mother is ungrateful. It's obvious. After can even say why I'm going live. This is the reason why I'm going live. The mother is ungrateful in pain. She will not stay in my house tonight. She cannot stay because I don't know the witch, the juju when they bring come here. Babe, it's for your own good. Don't tell me it's okay, okay? I love you. It's for your own good. Don't tell me it's okay. These people are witch. These people are witch. These people are witch. They know what they are doing. Mary mother will not stay in my house this night. Mary mother will not stay in my house this night. Who knows what them bring come? Who knows what them bring come?
I can accept anything from your husband, but don't you dare raise your voice to say you're talking to my mom. Do you understand?
If maybe your mother has a mission to
Don't talk to my big mommy. If you don't have respect for your people at home, don't do that with my big mommy. Shop her go down. Shop her go down. Don't even try it. Don't try it. Don't try it. I will not touch you, but don't talk to my big mommy. Come back for nonsense. Kill it. Baby husband said the one on so olórí burúkú. Maintain no. I say they put you for them. Assume it takes it down. Don't even try. If you have better one, tell him to sign. Then we go. So I thought you will live your life peacefully. Let me go.
Why is it going to be like that? Everybody, I don't see everything what I want to say. I'm not going to take it. Don't see me cry. If I'm crying, don't see me like a fool. If I'm crying because I know what is in my mind.
That's how wicked people cry all the time.
Okay? If I'm crying, if tears are removing my eyes, I know what is in my mind. It's only people that has helped somebody before that will understand me.
They cry.
Only people that has actually helped somebody before that understand me. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it wrong, Victor. Don't get it wrong. I know why I'm crying. I know why I'm crying. Not because of anything. I see you. I know why I'm doing all these things. Don't get it twisted. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. It's only people that have actually helped somebody that will understand what I'm saying. Because if it's some of this, invest in human being, some of this, help somebody, person can turn against you. My dear, you feel so bad. You will turn out being a liar than that person. Because that person sees you as a fool. I know what I'm saying. My wife is heavily pregnant right now. Joy is pregnant. Joy is heavily pregnant right now. She's pregnant, and I will not allow these people to come and root things for me, to come and spoil things for me. I don't know what they carry come this time around. I know what I'm saying. You should bear me witness. That's why I'm going live. Nothing more.